Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our channel. Today our topic of video is making a business plan for a coffee shop. Let's start. Business description. The business name is Coffee Heaven. Coffee Heaven itself is one of the most culinary drinks that has been delicious and interesting coffee creations. The location of the business in its early stages is around the campus area. However, we also plan to expand the market in the office area and participate in certain events. The coffee drinks served can be enjoyed both hot and cold. With separate marketing, it will be easier for people to enjoy coffee, so there is no need to travel too far. Background. Coffee drinks are currently trending and favored by the public. There is a growing demand for diverse and innovative coffee products. There presents a promising business opportunity in the coffee-based beverage industry. Our company offers coffee beverage products with a unique and distinct presentation. We aim to stand out from the competition by offering something different to our customers. Vision and mission. Vision. Our vision is to create a cozy and friendly coffee shop that becomes a special part of our community. We want our customers to have a great time, enjoy delicious coffee, make new friends, and feel happy and inspired when they visit us. Mission. Creating interesting, unique, and delicious coffee drink variants, increase marketing reach, serving coffee at a more affordable price, preserving coffee drink as a part of community culture local. Competitors. Starbucks, internationally recognized coffee chain with a strong presence in Pakistan, offers premium coffee, extensive menu options, and a comfortable ambience. Emphasizes global brand image and consistent quality across locations. Number 2, Gloria Jeans Coffee, popular coffee chain in Pakistan, offers a wide range of coffee options including specialty blends and flavored coffees. Established presence in several cities and attracts a diverse customer base. Second Cup, Canadian-based coffee chain expanding Pakistan aims to provide a cozy and welcoming atmosphere, offers various coffee flavors, espresso-based drinks, and alternative brewing methods. Marketing and promotion. Number 1, social media marketing. Number 2, local advertising. Number 3, loyalty programs. Number 4, collaboration with local business. Number 5, participation in community events. Number 6, email marketing. Customer feedback. Coffee quality, customer service, ambience and atmosphere, menu options, pricing, overall experience. Product details of Coffee Heaven. Number 1, milk coffee. Number 2, iced coffee. Number 3, cream coffee. Number 4, butter coffee. Number 5, buttermilk. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel.